Okay, we here with another quick real dirty videos. Some of y'all like them, some of you don't. But here's another real quick dirty vehicle. I'm working on a 2008 Land Rover Range Rover supercharged. So the problem here is the air condition. And so what I want to show you guys is how to get to the expansion valve. This one is already changed out. So you're going to be on the passenger side of the vehicle. When you get to the passenger side of the vehicle, look for this item here. There will be a cover over the expansion valve like so. So you won't actually see the expansion valve because it will look something like that when you first look at it. Move back a little bit so you can see it. And these wires here is attached to it. So basically this will be together like this. You won't see the expansion valve. So what you have to do is you have to use a Torx and get that off. So you use a Torx, get that off. It is a it's a T20 to get it off. So once you use the T20, you remove all 4 bolts. There are 4 of those in there. 1, 2, one at the top, and that one at the bottom. So once you remove that cover, your expansion valve will be there. You will then need, it's a hex, but I used instead a T25 to get it off. And I bought this nice handy dandy little tool from Harbor Freight. Cost about $6. And then I also bought a bit set because the thing about it is you got this small space. You got to get in here in order to get these out, and this tool works perfectly in there, gives you enough room to screw it out. And there are 2 bolts that you have to take out, and this, like I said, this tool works handy real good to get it out. I've already replaced it. That's my new one that's in there. It's already torqued down and everything, and I'm about to put it back together. But I wanted to show you guys that are working on this. So bottom line, passenger side of the vehicle, remove the paneling. I removed the glove box. You don't necessarily have to, but I did. Just gives you a little bit more space to work with. So basically this is my workspace that I have to work with. So I dropped the glove box and everything, just made it easier to work. Removed the panel, took out once you remove those 2 bolts, all you got to do is pull this down. It comes apart pretty easily, at least this one did. But you pull down on that, separate it, and then once this separates, this comes right out. This is the old one. Just be mindful about how it goes back in there, because there are 2 different sizes, as you can see. So you need to make sure that the larger orifice goes on top and the smaller one is on the bottom when you put that back in there. And then your screws go right back. Your 2 clamps and your screws go back in there and holds it all together. So that is a video for you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up and see what we can do to help you out.